It's Liam Victories, and in today's video, we are going to play some Teardown. Alright, so let's just enter here, and I am in Teardown. I do have a lot of, like, I don't know what this is called because it's my first time, so please make sure to like and subscribe. And right now, I can't touch it. Alright, anyways, let's just test some stuff around. Like this new gun I got a couple days ago. Let me try it. Yeah, normal. My game freaks. Oh my god. I'm not going. Oh! I'm just gonna shoot one. Alright, let me E. R. Alright, did I just see something get thrown? Alright. I'll just shoot there. And then run. Ooh, my game! Oh no, I'm falling. No! No! CCC, no. CCC, no. Oh, my game's so laggy! Oh, I'm also playing on a computer if you didn't know that. Yay! Oh, my game! It lags so much. So yeah. Also make sure to like, subscribe. This, if I think I mentioned this before, I'll just mention this again. That this is my first time. So please like and subscribe. Also, so I will be restarting sometimes. I do have a couple of other mods I can use, but the doggy mod, dog companion, is not that good. Most of them aren't that good. But anyways. I'm not down. That was you don't see this one bit. You don't see it. Sorry, it's just my dog, Daisy. Anyways, these doors really get me annoyed, so I'm just going to that's how you create a hole and tear down. Oh no, guys, there's a fire. So what we'd like to do, let's go grab this fire extinguisher. Do whatever you do not jump off yet. Yes, that's loud. Okay, here are some guns I got. I got the physics gun, which just like lets me have physical stuff. It's really fun. And another one is spells. I don't really use it. And this is the one that made me restart the first game. This is called the lava gun. I'll test all of these so you can see. So you already saw what this one does. Alright, this one has many ones. 1 second. Okay, so I'll show you different. Right now we're gonna stay with fly. Yeah, stay with fly. Alright. Fly's good. Alright. And we already saw this one. That's the one that just blows up. And here's the lava gun. Does light stuff on fire, which I don't like. So I don't use that often. So let's extinguish the fire. Because this plane was just about to be cut in half. You see? Alright. Anyways, under the lava gun is airstrike. As many forms. Oh, I was going to say this for the spells too. Leave in the comments what I should do next. Should I do light next? Light? Or should I do hold? Leave your light or hold. Leave your thoughts in the comments down below. Oh, okay. And then airstrike. I'll show you all. Okay, this is what the plane I'm on. Okay, so R changes to 1. We'll do the special in another video. So Here, this is the 25, the basic, and then here's the 40. It's really overpowered. It just blows up a bunch of stuff. And then here's the my game. And then here's the most powerful list. And then here's a really powerful one. A cluster bomb. I also click F for a flashlight. And then I have this shards. Alright. Here's another version. And then here's here's another version. Wave. Alright, then this. Oh, it's just where like I hold something and then and then I throw it. And pretty much all. Okay, that's all. And then I got a rocket booster, which allows me to bat. And this thing just directs it. Alright. Anyways, let me drive the plane. I'll assure you that everything's fine. Nobody's dead or anything. Yeah, they're alive. Totally alive. If they're dead, they'll be dancing right now. Alright. Anyways, this is what the plane looks like. I know, it's pretty toxic. Oh my god. Ugh. Oh my god, I gotta go through this plane. The plane. Oh my god, this thing's wrecked. This is what our plane looks like now. It used to be all pretty. But freaking that's the inside. And I just messed up. Bro, this plane's going down. This plane's literally going. Oh, the back half, guys. Look at the back half. Let's look at it go. Let's zoom in. We lost it. The back plane is over there. Not a stuffing. Oh my god, wait. Wait. Oh no! Oh! Look, there's no point but then just killing me. So, there's no point but then just destroying the engines off. Alright, let me go grab my physics gun out. And I'll just... Can you please move out my way, door? Get out. Anyways, this plane is literally destroyed. I can't talk about how destroyed it is. I gotta go to I died. I literally died. Oh, thank God I spawned right here. Anyways, what I was trying to do right here is oh, yeah, I just need a drink. What I was trying to do right here is jump right here. Jump right there. And that area is not. Run, run, run! Oh, never mind. I perish. I'm in danger. Oh, the plane. I can't revive. No, the plane. How? Oh, this plane is destroyed. If I do say myself. Oh my god. Oh my god. OMG. Also, please get me to my please get me to 1 subscriber. Anyways, let's yeet that piece off. Now we're dead. I think we're falling, right? Yeah. Yep, we are definitely falling. If we are, I got my spells out right to blah. Let's look for a different suspect. Oh my god, this plane's I don't know what that is. Oh, frick. So let me just go out to the plane and see something. No. Alright, so now I'm on the plane. And I think we are falling right now, which is bad. These planes aren't supposed to be falling. Don't mind what happened over there. But plane, don't mind anything. Let's just By the way, I'm not one of those YouTubers that have friends in games. I'm not one of those YouTubers. I don't have friends that play with me online. It's sad though. Please like and subscribe. Also, please make sure to check out Creative Aiden Fox. It's my friend, and he really wants subscribers. So please go check out his YouTube channel. It's called Creative Aiden Fox. So please go check that out. Anyways, let me die real quick. Turns out, when you touch the ground, I actually saved myself from dying before, but you don't actually get saved. What happens is you would die. There's no way of escaping. And when sorry to say this, but if you probably don't know this, when Laking Box says oof, they actually mean dead. But anyways, please make sure to like and subscribe. Anyways, let's destroy this airplane fully. So let's get my alien rifle from Subnautica. If you don't know what Subnautica is, it's a survival game. No, I think we're going. Yep, we're definitely going down. Going down. All right. So far, the front of the plane is the most survivist. So let's crouch down there. Can you please move, please? I gotta bring you out. Pieces are getting in my way. Oh yes. All right. Now I am safe down here. No, wait. I'm kind of buggy. This is the last piece I've ever made. By the way, this game does not have that much physics, so we have to use my physics. So let's just end this plane. Alright, let's just end me. I'm not broken enough. Odd. And if I die, by the way, no, why? I'm at really low health, guys. Hey, why am I in the fault? Why? I'm about to die, guys. Well, anyways, see you guys later. Let's go into it. Yikes. Turns out this plane couldn't live at all. Make sure to give me more ideas for more videos in Teardown. Or you can see me play, I don't know, some cool games or horror. Can't be popular time though. Too hard. Even my dad. Okay, by the way, I'm a kid. Same with Creative Aiden Fox. Please go check that out. It's my friend video. So please go make sure to go check that out. It's really cool and awesome. Anyways, this video will not end until 2 more minutes. Alexa, set a time for 2 minutes. Sorry.
Timer, 2 minutes.
Sorry, I just had to ask ask Alexa to set a time for 2 minutes. Because that's when the video is gonna end. Anyways, let's open this door. Alright, let's go open this door then. Never mind, let's go open the back doors. You disappoint me, friend side. Oh my god, if I got low health from that far away, then that must cause trouble. That's so much trouble. doors, okay? I think they are. No! This plane! Are you serious right now, bro? Are you serious right now, bro? Bro, I died. Bro. Bah. Bruh. I do, okay. Aw, come on. Are you serious? Never mind. I am serious. Because I'm alive. Go, 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 go. Run, run, run. Whoa. I did a giant leap there, right? By the way, if you didn't know, when you subscribe and hit the bell, it gives you a notification. So every time I upload a new video, you get a notification. So please make sure to like and subscribe. Anyways, let's just block this off. If I go to blur torch. If you don't know what that is, it's just oh. Alright, so my timer just went up. We'll just end it a little early. Alright. Boom, boom. We're safe, we're safe, we're safe. Alright. So if I go to airstrike, our location is back here. Yes. Bap, 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 bap. Let's destroy this plane. My raft. No, why did I do that? I am so dead. Wait, I feel like I'm going down. I think I'm going down. I'm going down. No. I think I'm going to back. No. No, here I go. Whoa, guys. Guys, this is crazy. There I go. There. Damn. I'm dead. Unless, if I can get to, where is it? I see it. Anyways, I am going to die now. So, yeah. I'm just gonna, wee. So, what we want to do is, I'm gonna jump it. Don't fall. Okay, my guy better not fall down. Because I'm not supposed to be at this height. It's be at a different height. Anyways, this is going to be my safe spot. It's going to be my safe spot. There has to be no fire at no locations. No. Well, I think I have a couple more minutes. Alright, I'll end it. Alright. So, this will be our last round. Once the plane is fully destroyed, sorry, I had to end it because I don't know how long this was. Let's just like this. I would say this video is awesome and thank you very much. What the heck? Oh, it's that problem. Alright, if you didn't know, once I shoot, I gotta run. And one time, I almost died like that. If you want to see what happens, let's see what happens. Please, this is the last Larry Owls, right? No! Bob Jr. Alright, anyways. I'm doomed. Oh, oh, oh. Alright, please reload before. 1 second, and yes. Yes. Come on, I fired it. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, that does not sound good for the plane, guys. Oh, yes. Please tell me. Bombs! I gotta remain his head with me in the safe spot. No, Bob, you can't go like that. You gotta save me, Bob Jr. We gotta find the other Bobs. Take the other Bobs. I gotta save you, Bobs. Oh no, I tricked ya. Let's go. Alright, anyways, let's grab the other Bob and help him to freedom. Oh no, I accidentally hit from off the edge. Anyways, let's try to swing to freedom with Bob's head. Come on, Bob the Builder. I gotta take his head. I'm gonna call him Bob. Alright. I mean, no, I'm gonna call him Jeff. Come on, Jeff, we gotta escape. So I think this is go up and this go down. Alright. Come on, Bob. You're going to end us. I gotta click a button. I think I accidentally just doomed us all. Control center. Bob. I mean, Jeff. No, Bob. Don't worry, Bob has friends. Just kidding. That was actually Bob. Jeff is this. Come on, Jeff. I took your brother. He didn't make it. I'm sorry. Yeah, he went down there. No, Jeff. All right, that was actually Jeff. That's all his friends. He didn't bring anybody. So once I lose the actual Bob. No, wait, this is Coralina. I don't want no Coralina. Get out, Coralina. I want Bob. Don't worry, Bob. I'll put you back together. Jeff! No. Bob, I'll come back for you. It's still up and running, so. By the way, we gotta quickly not die because yep, that's when we had Jeff. Alright, so Bob's right there. Let me grab Bob's body. No. Keep it right there. Alright. Rob, you wanna Bob, no clips. Open up. No, we lost Bob, guys. No, Bob's head. Alright, that's it for this video. Bye, guys. Make sure to check out Aiden's Box and like and subscribe. Bye.